Welcome to the Slowly English Listening Podcast. Together, we'll improve your English step by step. Episode 8, The Weather and Clothes. Hello everyone. Take a moment to look out the window and relax. I often tell my students that English is like the weather. Some days it is sunny and easy, and some days it is cloudy and difficult. But the secret to staying dry in the rain is to have a good umbrella. This podcast is your umbrella. By listening slowly and carefully, you are protecting your progress. Don't rush. Let the words come to you naturally. You are doing a wonderful job, and I am happy to be your guide today. Welcome to episode 8 of English Step by Step. I am Adam. I am so happy to be here with you today. In our last episode, we talked about hobbies. Today, we are looking at the sky. We are going to learn how to talk about the weather and what clothes we should wear. This is a favorite topic for English speakers. Let's start with the different types of weather. Repeat after me. It is sunny. It is rainy. It is cloudy. It is windy. It is snowing. Very good. Now, let's talk about the temperature. Repeat after me. It is hot. It is cold. It is warm. Now, why is the weather important? Because it tells us what to wear. Let's learn the names of common clothes. Repeat after me. T-shirt. Jacket. Pants. Shoes. Hat. Now, let's connect the weather to the clothes. This is a great way to practice longer sentences. Listen and repeat. It is sunny today, so I am wearing a t-shirt. It is cold today, so I am wearing a heavy jacket. It is rainy, so I need my umbrella. Excellent. You are building real sentences now. Let's try a small simulation. I will tell you the weather, and you tell me one thing you are wearing. Are you ready? It is very cold and snowing outside today. What are you wearing? That's right. I hope you said a jacket, a hat, or a scarf. Now, let's learn a very common question to ask about the weather. Repeat after me. What is the weather like today? In many English-speaking countries, like the UK or Canada, the weather changes very fast. So, it is always good to be prepared. Here is my special tip for today. Every morning, when you wake up, look out your window and say the weather in English. Say, today is cloudy or today is beautiful and sunny. Then, look at your clothes and say, I am wearing a blue shirt. Doing this for only 1 minute every day will make you think in English much faster. Remember, you don't need to know every word for every type of cloud. Start with the basics. Small steps lead to big results. You are doing amazing. We have already completed 8 episodes. You should be very proud of your consistency. Your homework for today is this: look outside right now. Write in the comments, what is the weather like today in your city? And tell me one thing you are wearing. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. I am Adam. Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next step.